Good morning, everyone. I couldn't sleep last night. My fan is broke. See, I can even turn it up. See, it's heavy it is. Yesterday was smoke. It was coming from the back over here, and the bearing inside of me was making a lot of noise. And I just take the switch off. I was scared of the fire over here because it's smoking. Man, I couldn't even sleep. I was sweating all night long. Here, this place where I'm staying right now is like sauna. You stay like that, you get sweat. You drink water, you get sweat. My place where I was asleep last night, it was like wet, like I was pissed. It just water keep coming from my body. And every morning you can see like from this finger right here, you can see like blood, dry blood. Every morning I put my finger to my nose, it keep give like dry blood. I don't know where this blood come from. I have no idea, man. Problem behind the problem, see. This fan was helped me to sleep. I couldn't even sleep last night. I don't know what else to do. Why is always me? Why? Why problem behind the problem behind the problem? I have situation with the food, with myself. My phone, the other phone, it doesn't work no more. This phone right here, what I'm filming right now, the SIM card, the smaller one, it was blocked. I went to the place to try to open it. You see, you have to pay. There's nothing free. I don't know what else to do. I'm just dying slowly like a candle, you know. You know what? When you put the candle on and it just burns slow, it just me like that. I have to take shower every hours. And here is like, it's serious. It's really serious. Hear what I'm saying right now? If you go outside right now, you can feel like it's a little bit cold. But over here is like a sauna, man. If we stay like that, we get sweat. Serious. I don't know what to do. Barely I can turn it off, Lord. It's not like turn off easy. Like when I took it yesterday, I couldn't even touch it. It was like over here is like hot. See, the bearing is like dry, and I can't even turn it on. That's all, guys. That's what I was being disappeared these couple of days, man. Please, anybody watch this video, please just go to the YouTube. I have only 5 subscribers. Please just go and subscribe to my channel, please. God bless you. Thank you so much, guys. I try to stay a new channel to help myself stay on my feet and so I can survive, but nothing going my way. Everything going the wrong way. Thank you, guys.